you can follow along with the example, and one nice way to follow along is to read the problem, find the midpoint of the line segment connecting P and Q, and instead of reading through how they do the example, you do your best to figure out, what should I do first? Midpoint. Now, a lot of times, the theorem or the equation you need to use is really close. In this case, it happens to be right above. So we're going to use P and Q in this equation right here. And what does that look like? You just put the x, y coordinates on the right spot, and then simplify down, and then there's your midpoint. But that's not the good way to do it. The right way to do it is write down the problem midpoint, average x's and y's, x1, -2, x2 is 1. Now for the y's, we have y1, 3, plus -3. Add those together. -2 plus 1 is -1/2. 3 minus 3 is 0. There's our midpoint. Now we can look back at the book and see, they simplified it down to -1/2, 0. And that is what we got right here. So that's how to anticipate, go through and don't just read the steps, do the steps. It's very important. Now, there's going to be some sections you find easy, some sections you find difficult. The ones that you find easy and you can go and answer the questions online quickly, that's great. You should go and do that. And the ones that, the homework problems that you find difficult, then you want to go back into the section they're from, look at the example problems and see if you can follow along and do those.